how to build a money-making machine in your business. You looking to grow your business? Looking for more customers? Trying to figure out how to use Facebook, Instagram, Google, and all these crazy online platforms to grab the local people in your area, grab the attention of your ideal customers, and bring them to your website, bring them to your business, and bring their dollars into your pocket. Here at Kaizen Marketing Agency, our goal is to give the strength, give the ownership back to the business owners, and give them a machine, a marketing and advertising machine that the enterprise level business are using today, but bring it to a scale so a small to medium-sized company can leverage it as they grow inside this. So my name is Kyle Berry. I'm the CEO of Kaizen Marketing Agency, and we're going to show you guys what we do for businesses like yourselves, how much revenue we're generating for companies just like you, how much they're paying us, and how much money we give back to them to prove that we know what we're doing and so we can get a conversation. We're selective with our clients and ensure the marketing tools we provide are exclusive. Our clients retain full ownership even if they choose to end our partnership. Unlike unethical marketers, we prioritize transparency, safeguarding your assets, and setting up effective tracking for success. I'm going to show you a live account that we are working on right now that show profitability, show tracking, and show ownership back to the clients. And this is the same exact system that we would build internal for your company. And it all starts with a free audit. But before I go into what that audit entails, let me show you exactly what we're doing for businesses just like yours. Right here, we're in the back end of Facebook and Instagram advertising. And this is a small spend client. This is a local restaurant in Southwest Florida that has online ordering. We are only tracking the ability for the customers to go to their website and make a purchase online for pickup. They don't even offer delivery. So the numbers you see here are specifically for pickup. You can see that in this month, we've only spent around $520 in total spend. So small spend client for sure. And if you look, we have all the tracking set up so that I can see if a customer clicks, what's our click-through rate, our overall engagement, what they did on the website. Did they just go to the website and view it? Did they add something to their cart? Did they initiate a checkout? And did they make a purchase? And if they made a purchase, what was our cost to get that purchase? What was the revenue that purchase brought in? So you can see here for this small restaurant, we've spent $520 so far this month, and we've done almost $2,000 in sales, almost at, if you look at the ROAS, almost at a 4 ROAS. So in short, this client handed me $1, I handed them back $4. We are targeting new customers, existing customers to increase lifetime value. We're actually testing over 171 different types of customers in their local area to find out what works the best. And as you can see, there's different results depending on different consumers. Here at Kaizen, we have a complete video editing team where we're able to take your raw videos and your images and create high engaging and converting videos that we put on Facebook and Instagram to get us an amazing return on your advertising spend. Here's an example of one of the ads that we've built for Buckingham Farms. Now, we are not content creators, we are video editors. So as long as you deliver us the images and the content, we put the assets together that will really engage with the customer and get them to move forward on what conversion event we want, from walk-in traffic to online ordering to a phone call to lead generation. Our goal is to be top marketers worldwide. Personally, I am to be recognized as one of the best marketers, ensuring every business I work with grows and thrives with a decade of experience. We've invested $10 million in Google and $6 million in Meta, fine-tuning strategies for clients spending $250 to $1 million monthly. Our expertise spans Meta advertising, Google Ads, email marketing, and website conversion optimization, maximizing your ROI. If you'd like more details on our work with different clients, we offer a free business audit. Simply book a meeting with me on my Calendly at the bottom of this page. We'll assess if we're a good fit, and if so, I'll provide a free audit and a personalized game plan for your success. We believe in giving every business the chance to grow. If you're ready to take the next step, schedule a meeting and let's discuss your company's growth together.